So this move is called fussler, and what you're going to do with your feet is you're going to kick your left foot back and tilt towards the right, and then switch sides. So you're going to kick your left foot, then your right foot, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So with your hands now, you're going to do with your hands. You're going to take them to the right, you're going to grab to the right, grab to the left, and then release on 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, when your arms are at the top, just let them across like so. Okay, let's try it with our feet now. On the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's try the move just a bit faster now to the count. Again, if you're not feeling as confident, just do it at a slower pace that's comfortable for you, okay? On the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. So with the arms, what they're going to look like, grab and this side, and then release over. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So this next move you're going to learn applies to slower paced songs, okay? And this move is called Jummer. Your Jummer footwork are very similar to Beddi ones, but you're going to try and lift your feet up a bit higher. So with your left foot, it's 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. Emphasis on this move as well, because the move is slow, is on your shoulders. So you drop your shoulders as you drop your feet. 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2. With your hands, there's different variations, okay? We done Tari Jummer earlier, which was this move here. We went 1, 2, 3, 4. You can do that to either slower or faster paced songs. But to start off with, what you're going to do, you're going to put your right hand up in the air. You make a little peacock, so your index finger and your thumb, and it's facing forward. And when you do 1, you look forward or look down. And on 2, you look up at it and you turn your hand. So your hand is going to turn 1, 2. So facing forward with your feet ready on the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, go. And 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2. On this one you can use your right hand, you can use your left hand, or you can use both hands. So this time let's try it with both hands. So again, emphasis is on your shoulders, okay? 1, 2, 3, go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So one of the moves you're going to learn now called Punjab. So you put your hands on your hips, you get your left leg, bring it up and down and back over and across. So how it's going to do on the count is you're going to go 1, 2, then start with your right leg, 3, 4, with your knees nice and high. What you don't want to do, you don't want to do this, okay? Because that isn't the proper move. So let's do it again. We're going to start with our left leg up and down and back up and across. Right leg, across, back up and down, okay? To the count, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Now with your arms. We're going to do with your arms, put them up, bring them down. Back up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Perfect. Now with your feet, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, perfect. So if you are struggling with Punjab with your arms, bringing them up and down at the right speed, what I would suggest is keep your arms up for now and get your legs going, because that's where all the workout happens. So if you just go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. That's perfectly acceptable. With your arms, it'll be just double speed. So if you do it with your arms, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Okay, so the next move, we're going to keep the feet the same. So let's just go over the feet one more time. With your left foot, you're going to bring it back up, down, right foot, up, and down. Let's just do that to the count just so we get used to it. On the count of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Make sure your knees are nice and high. Again. Now, with your arms this time, we're going to do some. We're going to change our arms. So we're going to do different variations. So if you start with your arms, bring them to your right, and you're going to bring them up and down, nice and gently. You're going to switch, and that's 3 and 4. With your arms, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. This is called side Punjab because your arms are to the side. So we're going to start with our left leg, and we're going to go 1, 2, switch, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 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 3, 4. Perfect. So your first workout, guys, we're going to pick a nice simple song, and it's called Bar Bloom by Diljit Dosanjh. And what you're going to do with your moves is your first 4, you're going to do Jumra, okay? So if you don't know this move, check out our previous tutorials, okay? So with your feet, you start with your left, and then 2, and 3, and 4. After you complete 4, you have 2 hands up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sticking with Jumra footwork, okay? So let's put that together on the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's try that with the music. Starting now, guys. And 1. Okay, so this routine, a lot of the footwork focuses on 2 moves, Punjab and Fasla. Okay, so starting with Punjab, after you've done your 8 Jumra beats, you're going to do your side Punjab, and you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After you complete 8 of those, you're going to put your arms up in the air. You're going to try and bring them down as well if you can this time. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's try it with the count, including the side Punjab, okay? So on the count of 4, 1, 2, 3, go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try it with the music now from the very start. Sorry, guys, and shoot the ball, hot the beat to Babalin there. Why did you say he didn't there? Give got him up with Okay, for the chorus, we're going to teach you a new move. It's slightly varied to the Punjab footwork, okay? So what you're going to do, because here speaks about Punjab muscle, we're going to try and replicate. With your right hand, you're going to go towards your right knee and lift it up. 1, 2. Okay, so again, 1, 2, and then Punjab, 3, 4. Okay, that is one complete move. We're going to do that twice. Okay, let's start off from the count. 1, 2, 3, go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. The only difference here is on the count, rather than tapping like normal Punjab, you would 1, 2, 3, 4 on the count. Tap your foot. This time on the count, your knees are up in the air. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try that again. Twice on the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So the third time you do that move, you're going to do the complete move. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then stationary with your heels. You're going to flick your heels here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we're going to do, guys, we're going to do the chorus move 3 times, and after you complete it the third time, you release your arm to the right on the count of 4. Okay, so let's try it to the count. 1, 2, 3, go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. On your heels. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try it to the music.
सूट पोरो हटेगी तो बाबलीन दे गोडे जे कसाई फिरे बिलोजीन दे सूट पोरो हटेगी तो बाबलीन दे गोडे जे कसाई फिरे बिलोजीन दे मेरे कच्ची मोती तेरा सुच्चा हो गया मैं ते जट दा पजामा कोई ऊंचा हो गया जट दा पजामा कोई ऊंचा हो गया जट दा पजामा कोई ऊंचा हो गया
1, 2, 3, 4. After you complete the chorus, guys, I want you to do Fusla. I want you to do it 4 times, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's once. 1, 2, 3, 4. Twice. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. If you're unfamiliar with the move, make sure you watch our previous tutorials on how to do that move properly. After you do the Fusla 4 times, we're going to use bendy footwear, but we're going to change our hands. What we're going to do with our hands, we're going to put your thumbs together with your hands out so you can see your face. So you're going to go 1, drop your hands 2, get your thumbs out this time. You put your right hand up and turn your head. 3, 4. So once again, hands up and out, get your thumbs out, put your head and put your head. So let's do it to the count then, just your hands. 1, 2, 3, go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now after the chorus finishes, I want you to do Fusla 4 times, then complete this move. Okay, twice.
सूट पोरो हटेगी तो बाबलीन दे गोडे जे कसाई फिरे बिलोजीन दे सूट पोरो हटेगी तो बाबलीन दे गोडे जे कसाई फिरे बिलोजीन दे मेरे कच्ची मोती तेरा सुच्चा हो गया मैं ते जट दा पजामा कोई ऊंचा हो गया जट दा पजामा कोई ऊंचा हो गया जट दा पजामा कोई ऊंचा हो गया
1, 2, 3, and change.
हवा का दी रखी तैनू चंडीगढ़ दी शीशे मुझे पोज जे पड़ा देखर दी
So guys, once you get to that point in the song, what you're going to do, you're going to do Fusla 2 more times in the instrumental part. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to do that move twice. You're going to do this move again with your bendy footwork. 1, 2, 3, 4. That will be done 4 times. Then you just repeat the chorus again, okay? So let's do it to the music from the very start.
सूट पोरो हटेगी तो बाबलीन दे गोडे जे कसाई फिरे बिलोजीन दे सूट पोरो हटेगी तो बाबलीन दे गोडे जे कसाई फिरे बिलोजीन दे मेरे कच्ची मोती तेरा सुच्चा हो गया मैं ते जट दा पजामा कोई ऊंचा हो गया जट दा पजामा कोई ऊंचा हो गया जट दा पजामा कोई ऊंचा हो गया हवा का दी रखी तैनू चंडीगढ़ दी शीशे मुझे पोज जे पड़ा देखर दी हवा का दी रखी तैनू चंडीगढ़ दी शीशे मुझे पोज जे पड़ा देखर दी मेरे उत्तबार का ने तेरा ऊंचा हो गया मैं ते जट दा पजामा कोई ऊंचा हो गया जट दा पजामा कोई ऊंचा हो गया जट दा पजामा कोई ऊंचा हो गया
that everyone completes your first workout. Hopefully you all enjoyed it.